is exactly 10:10. So use this time to get set up. Locate your work that you started on. And we use this time to let you review the video and ask questions. So this is what today is for. Um, Also, this timing has been extended till 8 p.m. tonight. This morning, you're supposed to have something done. So I just extended it because I knew there's going to be some, well, I ain't do nothing. Last period, a bunch of students talking about, I ain't even going to lie. I'm like, well, I ain't going to lie either. That's not good. Thank you for not lying, but you got to do the work. Oh, I see. It's that view. I thought I wasn't presenting. I was. Can't do this again. See, that tile button doesn't show what you're presenting. That's the issue. There we go. Ah, okay. That's better. I was like, what's wrong with this thing? All right. You said Bitmoji thing, Lisa?
Yeah.
Yep. That's what we're working on. We're finishing it up. Were you able to get a lot
No,
done or
you're
no?
saying that was before earlier when you was mentioning it. Yeah, I got it
Oh, okay.
done today.
Okay.
The only thing I needed help with was like doing the video thing that you was talking about.
Yeah, you're gonna be like probably one of the few students that gets that done, but we'll work on that. Did you find your best works and download them?
Yeah, and I put the
Okay.
links to them.
So wait a minute, did you put them into your Google Drive?
Um, I think so. I don't know.
We go. I like your answer. That's something I would say. But no, you need to. She said, "I think so." That was too cute. You need to put it inside the Google Drive, Lisa. I'll show you how though. But as long as you download it to your computer, that's the first step. She said, "I think so." I'm sorry, yawning in the microphone. My bad, y'all.
Cause I know I had Larry test it out because I sent it to him and asked him, can he open it? He said he needed a request, so I needed help with that
I,
too.
right, you jumping ahead of me. That's not the way I wanted you to do that, but that's a good idea. But I'm gonna show you a better way. You moving too fast. Slow down a little bit. Slow down. Uh, you gonna? How much time we got left? She just can't wait to get it done. Okay, so it's at
Yo,
0 anyway. And who said something? Was it Angel?
yeah,
You had a question?
I'm working on my phone today.
Your phone thing? What's
I'm
that?
working on my phone today.
Off your phone today. What happened to your computer?
It's charging.
It's charging. Okay, it works while it's on. And I was about to tell Miss Childs and you to turn y'all cameras on. She turned hers on. It's almost time for class anyway. 10:09. All right, 10:10. Here's the 5-minute grace period for everybody that's going to be late or absent. But let's start looking into our norms and try to get that out the way. Up here they come. See. Okay, so who's walking into the classroom now? Let's take a look. Miss Camacho, welcome to class. All right, you got to turn your camera on. There she goes. Okay. Uh, it's kind of blurry. Can't see you, but all right. And Angel, where are you at with your camera, sir? What happened to you? There you go. Okay, so the policy is everybody got to keep our cameras on unless you're a bulldog and you use the icon that was given to you. The 5 basic norms, we're going to go through it real quickly. Let's start with Angel, number 1. Can you read that? Can you see it? Angel, you there?
Yeah. No one has a right to hurt another person.
Thank you, sir. Number 2, that would be Jacqueline. Is your microphone still busted? She's probably going to type. Okay. Yup. Goodness gracious, girl. We got to work on that. Number 2, Miss Childs, can you read, please?
Education in the classroom are scarred.
Sacred. Sacred. I'm going to read number 3. We will never behave in a way to discredit ourselves, our school, or our family. Lisa, can you read number 4?
Yeah, at Excel Academy in Southwest, students always a lady or gentleman.
Awesome. Angel, number 5.
We take pride in Excel Academy Southwest.
Thank you. 5 academic norms. Jacqueline can't read it out.
We respect the opinions of others.
Thank you, Angel. All right. And then now we come to Miss Childs, number 3.
We are attentive and participants.
Participate. Pretty cool. Lisa, number 4.
We have high expectations of ourselves, our peers, and our teachers.
Thank you. And lastly, myself, we are here to focus on preparing ourselves for post-secondary endeavors, right? So this is, geared towards the 3 routes that you could take for post-secondary endeavors. Who knows for 15 points what those routes are? So what are the pathways that you could take towards post-secondary endeavors? I knew for a moment Lisa was going to wait, but y'all took too long. She put it in the chat exactly what they are. She gets to 15 points. So these are things you guys are supposed to be thinking about now because, I think after 18, you're considered an adult. You're going to have to either move out and get a good job. So that's coming. You need to be thinking about what are you going to do with your future? It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. All right. Now we did our norms. What I want you to pay attention to is go to your physics class in ESB and scroll down till you see what you need, which is, let's keep going down. There's going to be the video recording of today's class. That's yesterday. And I'm going to share this with you again today. So this is the Bitmoji final exam review. And I want you guys to go through, if you haven't, and start finishing up on setting up your classrooms. Now, if you notice in the assignment, I've extended it to about, I want to say 8 p.m. tonight, which gives you time to try to get some more of this done, right? So let me put this video in there. So definitely want you to finish working on it. Because I know you guys was like, oh, I don't know what to do. And then you had to figure out what a slide was and how to insert slides. So I'm going to go to SB and the recording, or you can go there yourself. There's an MP4 file you can click on, and you can review that work. Or the video that we did. This is not the class I wanted. This is old. Let's see here. This looks like it's really old. Physics with algebra. All right. I got to grab the link from my other repository. Because that's supposed to be, yeah. That's when I was in the building, right? I was in the building that day. I sure was. I was helping us in car. That is right. I was like I'm in the classroom. I'm sorry, guys. All right, so I'm gonna grab this link. You guys gotta wake up now. Y'all can't be sleeping in class now. You all laying down and stuff. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I mean, man, is it the coffee that I took? I had drank this morning. Y'all energy level is down. All right. Okay, so here we go. Put this in here for you guys. All right, so that's the video plan, but check out that video again. I'm gonna give you guys 15 minutes to try to get what we talked about on Monday. And like who's finished? Who's gotten as far as all their slides in? You have a Bitmoji for every slide, and you at least started putting some of your work in there. Because I know Lisa started on this, but who else? Who's ready to share out to show what you got so far? Anybody?
I don't know how to share out.
Well, you share your screen basically. Are you logged into it?
Yeah,
Okay, so let me stop sharing and you share your screen real quick.
I don't know how.
You click on you on the phone. That's why.
Yeah,
Okay, you got that's the problem. You can't be on your phone. Try to log in on your computer now because it should be charged up, right?
think.
As long as it's plugged up to the wall, it doesn't need to be waited to charge it. That's what I was trying to tell you guys. So long as you have it plugged up, it works. You don't need to wait for it to charge up. So get on your computer so you can follow along with us. Miss Childs, you have anything to share?
No,
Okay, so you got to start from the basics.
no. The only thing I gotta do is put my bid emoji in there.
Okay. Jacqueline, did you start on this on Monday? You can type yes or no. Leah, while I'm waiting on her response, what about you? I know you got something started.
Yeah, my emoji thing, but I don't got it in the slides. I'm still trying to do the slides.
Oh, so you try to set your backgrounds?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. So it seems like everybody needs this 15 minutes to review that video and get it done, right? Lisa, can you share what you have so I can walk you through the final steps? Because I know you about ready to be done with all this.
Yeah.
Okay, so just share your screen. You should be able to at this point.
Here, y'all see.
I see you. Nice selections. Okay, so let's. You said Lisa, you said you downloaded all your works, right? Where did you download them to? To your download drive or your desktop? Like where did you put them?
Um, in my download drive, I think.
Okay,
What
so
is it
you
like the file thing right here?
so can you show me where they
Yeah.
are real quick?
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah. So I think if you hit on that, yeah, if you hit on that folder button,
Oh,
and you said
let me see.
downloads, you can click on downloads.
I have a lot of stuff downloaded.
Oh, okay.
Um,
So you want to search it now?
uh, yeah.
Let's make sure you're in the right folder because sometimes it'll take you all over the place if you search it outside the folder. Okay, so those are
Okay.
those the ones you chose or no? Now, did you just download the engineering ones or the physics ones? You know we're in physics right now, right?
Oh yeah, my bad. Yeah, I downloaded the physics ones too.
Oh, okay. Because I'm like you're in physics class right now, Lisa. All right, there we go.
Yeah, but it's certain dates that I have put on the one so it could tell me which ones I downloaded.
So you said what now?
I gotta see which one. This one was October 1st, so I gotta look for that one.
Oh, okay. You didn't download it already?
Yeah, I downloaded it.
Oh, you got
But
it already? Okay.
see,
Right. So what you got
yeah,
to do is,
this
Lisa.
somewhere.
So Lisa, go to your Google Drive. You know how to do that? Just open a tab.
Like,
No.
hold on, Google
Right. So
Drive.
go to a new tab. Yep. And then so look right there. Click on the apps and click on Drive.
Right here.
hmm This is what I was going to teach you guys today, but I'm giving people time to get caught up. So you're going to click on new because you're going to create a new folder for where you're going to put your works at. All right. So you click on new over there. This is
Oh,
like your digital or online notebook that I was telling you guys you have for everything you do. So click folder
oh,
and then name the folder that pops up.
okay.
Did it show up somewhere?
I don't see it. Hold on. Oh,
Oh, there you go.
really?
You got a little patience, Lisa. Just a little patience.
Can I just say Tyler classes?
You want to kind of keep it. You want to do one folder for physics and one folder for engineering. I think you do how you want to do it. You just want to make a place online so you can
Okay.
always pull this, right? Let me set the clock for everybody else because I was saying I'm gonna give you 15 minutes to catch up. At least you're doing good. So let me know when you're done with that. You should create two folders: a physics folder for presentations and then an engineering folder, and then put those
In engineering.
right, and then put those files in each folder.
Okay.
Right. Let me know when you're done with that. Okay, so 15 minutes. You should be using the video, everybody that's in the chat. If you don't have
Okay.
access to the video, let me know. But use that to try to finish up on what we did on Monday. Because I again extended this final exam starter because technically it was supposed to be done this morning. But I figured some students might use election day as a day off, and I was right. So try to finish this up because again, if you don't do it by 8 p.m. tonight, you will have a final exam and it has a bunch of questions. And I don't know if you want to be doing a bunch of questions as a final exam. I thought this would be an easy assignment. All right, let me do attendance and make sure it's correct. Okay, so yeah, Lisa is here. Childs. I don't see Courtney. Angelique is absent. Ali is here. Angel's here. So, yeah, Jacqueline, yeah.
Did anybody call me?
Did anybody call you?
Yeah, because I went away from the computer for a second.
No, I didn't. Nobody called you. Nobody called you. Let's give you guys time to try to get caught up. They're watching the videos. You already got a lot done, Lisa. You just let me know when you're ready to start linking those files to your presentation.
Okay, Mr. Tyler. So once I make the folder, do I like drag the files from the file folder thing
Share your
to
screen.
the
I can show
drive?
you how to share your screen. I can show you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay, you're presenting. Now, once you made the folders, which folder are you in? Physics folder? Okay. So you see where it says new? Is it new with the little plus up in the upper left-hand corner? Yep. Go to File Upload. And then you guys got to direct it to where your files are. Yep. Figure out where you put them or how you found them. And you can drag it, but you got to know how to size your screens. That's one way. Now, the second way, that's one down, right? Second way is you resize your screens and you have one with the Windows Explorer open. That's where you find your files at. And then one with the browser open. You can just drag the files over there. So you choose which one works for you. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
hmm welcome to class, Courtney. Somebody else is coming in here late. Who's this? That's Mr. Rush. Okay. I gotta go back and do attendance. And then we have
Mr. Tyler, it's
Angelique.
telling me
Wow.
that.
Welcome to class. Yes, Aaliyah.
Mr. Tyler, it's telling me that I gotta pay for these slides.
Pay for what slides, Aaliyah?
The slides that you want us to work on.
No, no, you don't. You're using Google Slides, right?
Yeah.
Share your screen. I mean,
It's
I
still
don't
saying
see
the
how.
same thing that it was saying on Monday or Tuesday.
What are you talking about?
When
Share
we
your
was in
screen.
Google Chrome. I'm sharing it now.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So it won't let you go in because
Basically
you're on
I gotta
your
pay
phone.
for it. That too.
You're on your phone. That's the problem, girl. Where's
I
your
don't have a
laptop at?
computer and I text Mr. Irvin. He didn't text me back.
Uh, okay. The only thing I can think of is you're not fully logged into your account, your Google account. So, because it should let you go straight into it. And there's no such thing as a charge. You try to do business. That's why it's trying to charge you. We're trying to get you start personal.
I did, and it's still saying the same. Well,
So show
it
me,
won't
show me,
let me
show
click
me your
to it.
email. Show me your email. Go to your email.
I'm trying. Hold on.
Okay.
Why is not letting me go to my email?
That's what I'm talking about right there. All right. So I'm gonna put the link in the chat, Angelique, so you know what we did Monday. You can try to
I'm
do it.
logged into my email.
I got you, but I want you to go to your email. Is what I'm telling you. Pull up your email because if you pull up your email, you can also pull up your Google Docs, right?
Mhm.
Okay. What are we looking at? You're in your account settings. We're not in your email.
Hold on.
So you got some weird settings on your phone you got to fix.
I know.
I don't know what you didn't do. So I think the problem is you need to download it through the App Store.
What
Did you
Google
do that?
Slides?
Yeah, they're each apps. The calendar, docs,
Oh,
they come as
okay.
apps, right?
All right. Hold on.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
So
have
you're
to
trying to
copy.
access it from the website, but you need to download that free application. You're on an iPhone, right?
Yeah.
Get to downloading them. Start with slides. If you don't have docs already, in the future when you have me, it'll be a headache. We can start with the slides first. Get that downloaded and open it up. Maybe that'll help you when you're trying to get it started. I'm gonna copy this link and put it in the chat again. This is a video from Monday in case you missed class. Um, what is this? Is that no? That's my slide deck. That's not what I want. Let me put the right link in there. Then let's see how much time you guys got. No, this is a Google Meet link. What the heck is this? Okay, let me kill this and come out. It keeps putting the wrong stuff in there. Oh, boy. Do this. Okay. It really, really is not acting right.
Hello? Hello? What's up?
Okay.
You said what? What?
All right.
Yeah, I don't know. Shit, it's a long way. Shit, yo.
Hey, Leah, you got somebody talking and they cussing. Need you mute
Oh
yourself?
my bad.
Okay, so where are we at with time? Just want to make sure that link was right. It is right. It's just pulling it from the Google Doc anyway. So, at any rate, 6 more minutes, everybody. We're gonna try to see how far you've gotten. Just review the video and see if it makes sense to a certain degree. Lisa, did you have all of the stuff loaded? So the next thing is like linking it to your project. Because I want to show you how to
Here
link it and
I go.
publish it. You said what?
I said, here I come.
Okay. You about to share?
No, I was trying to look for it because I'm sliding through my. I'm looking through my slides to see what dates did I put.
Oh, okay. You trying to review it. Well, I just wanted to show you how to do one of them. And then once you figure out the rest, you'll fly through it, I know. But take your time. Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, I'm finished here right now.
Go right ahead, dear. Okay, so you're in the physics folder. Great. Now let's choose one of them. You're gonna right click on just one of your works. So which one? Let's start with the best one. Which one did you get like a 98? Or did you get 100% of all of them on you? Which one was your highest score?
All of them, but I'll choose the quiz.
So just choose one that you want to work with first. Just to right click on it, and then it says get where is it at? Open with get link, and you'll process a link for it, right? Yep. And then before you click on done and copy link, turn the restricted off. Click on the restricted part, and anyone with this link. So when you share it out to friends and family, anybody can access it. That keeps that permission issue from happening. Now you're gonna copy the link, take it over to where I showed you in your slide. Now let's go to your slide. And let's see, do you want to use one of the characters there as your presentation link, or you go into the slide you want to use. So you can use, like, you want to click on an object and not some sentences, because it's going to be hard for them to click on it. So why don't you use the guy right there with the little suit? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, I think she.
Hold on, I gotta see if I did the right one.
Oh, okay. Now she get creative, but you got the idea though what to do now, Lisa. I'm just saying, have them click on objects and not sentences. It makes it hard for people.
Okay.
Okay.
So I gotta unlink the sentences because
The what? Which sentences? You made a link to the sentence?
yeah,
Show me what you're talking about.
look.
So here's how to test the theory. Yeah, click present. There you go. You learning. And then what you want to do is when you clicked on physics, is that what it brought up? Yeah, but I wanted you to let's see, I want to make sure it's right. Okay, that's good, but like I was saying, it's only going to work on your screen. So you can leave that link there, but I also want them to have one other place to click on it that's an object. Being honest, you being collegiate with it. So choose another object,
Okay.
put another one in there, or something they can visibly see. Like you notice in my classroom, you clicked on those big pictures, right? So I want the same effect for you guys. For you, you
Yeah.
doing well though. About 2 more
Okay.
minutes, everybody. At least you did good. You can stop sharing. You're doing awesome. And try to do that with the rest of your works. And you might want to get started on your next classroom if you get that together too. Because I think that you got one for engineering you got to do next period. So Angelique is here. Angelique, did you get a chance to see the video? Yeah, so you got a nebula behind you. That's pretty cool. Is she there? Your microphone's off.
Yes, I'm here.
I can't really hear. I can't hear you or see you. You okay? All right. It's a nice background image, though. All right. So check out the video if you can. It'll let you know what you got to try to finish. And we're finishing this up by 8 p.m. tonight, hopefully. Are you able to view the video? Okay.
Did you put it in the chat?
Yes, I did. Whoa, who's that with that music?
That's my favorite time. But no, it won't let me. It says
Okay.
video unavailable.
It won't let you go to the video? All right. So what I want you to do is, can you share your screen? I want to show you where it is in your Edsby account because there's a YouTube link and there's a video format. You got to share your screen? Nice. Very good. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is, where's yours at? Go to your Edsby tab. I see it up there in the corner. Okay. Now, you see where it says library? Come down some. Oh, you got to turn your mic on. Okay. You see where it says library, Angelique? Yeah.
No.
Keep going down. Right there. Stop. Click on library. Okay. Now we're looking for, let's see here. So you see the one that says physics with algebra right there in the 1, 2, 3, fourth one. So find the one you see. No, do the camera because you said you couldn't access the video, right? So do the one with the camera icon.
This
Click on, yep. And let's see, the one in the middle, not the YouTube link. Yep. So it's got to download first, I think. Yeah, I see it in the corner downloading. It's going to pop up as soon as it's done downloading, okay? You see it loading over there?
Yeah.
So once it's finished, I want you to open it up. So like I said, if you guys can't see some of the videos, you can still download things. This is good to know going into quarter two. We're going to keep the same format where you guys will have access to videos in case you miss class and get caught up. Because in reality, this is what happens when you're on a job learning or if you're in college learning. If you miss class, you gotta go back and figure out what notes you missed so you can be successful on the quizzes. So this is loading a lot. She's doing that. It's 10:38. Angelique, you can stop sharing and let me know if it works or not once it's finished.
Okay.
Thank you for doing that part. That's a few participation points. She's troubleshooting. Jacqueline, do you have anything you would like to share so far? Look at you guys, 15 minutes. Nope. Okay, no response. Miss Childs, are you there? Camera's off, so I don't know. I'm just checking to see who's with me. Okay, can you share what you've got so far? Oh, you're doing the backgrounds over? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Are you saying that too, Childs? Because I just saw Jacqueline type that.
Yes.
Okay. Angel left early again. Goodness gracious. Let's see here. Aaliyah, what about you? Any success with the Google Slides? Did you get it going? Aaliyah, you there?
I downloaded the slides, but I'm still confused on what we're supposed to do. And I got my emoji.
So wait, you got the slides going on your phone?
Uh-huh.
Okay. So you had to download the app, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just you got to watch that video, Aaliyah, and try to do what we did because this is
What we
getting you out of
supposed to
that.
put as a title?
Huh?
What we supposed to put as a title?
You put your last name, and then you say you pluralize. You say last name. So yours would be you already MEMS, so that's already plural. So MEMS is, I guess, Bitmoji Classroom is the title. You mean the title of the document, right?
Yeah.
Right. So that's what you're gonna name it. Let me share my screen so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm just glad you got it working so you can finish it off. This assignment in entirety, this video I'm telling you guys about, is due at least the part we covered on Tuesday. I'm sorry, Monday by 8 p.m. tonight. So if you take a look here, I'm talking about the title across here, right? And then you got to start setting up your screens, right? So you need backgrounds, you need your Bitmoji put in there on each slide. And then the part Lisa was working on is pretty much putting your work linked to your
How many
slides.
slides?
You said what?
How many slides?
Well, Leah, you got me twice. So you're doing this in essence, you're going to have 3 slides for physics, 3 slides for engineering, and 1 introduction slide. So you got 7 slides to turn in by tonight.
7? Oh my
Well, you
god.
got 2 different, Leah, it's not as hard as you think. You got 3 works. Did you choose your best works?
Also, we got to basically choose.
You just choosing your best works and putting them on each slide with a Bitmoji, Leah. Like, I don't understand.
Oh,
And a
okay.
background.
How
So
we do the background?
we talked about that. I want you to watch that video, dear.
Can you send me the hold on. So how
You
do
gotta
I
go to
make
you gotta go to
that?
ESB.
Okay.
I just showed everybody how to look that up. So go to your library, go to that date. You can click on the camera, which loads the MP4, or you can click on the YouTube link. Either one works that you choose. Okay, so let's look into this, right? Where are we at? Jacqueline's doing backgrounds. Angelique is loading the video, and it's 10:42. We got now. I think everybody's kind of clear on what they should have done on Monday. And software working in Bitmoji. The biggest thing is the Bitmoji part for everybody. Going to give you guys a few more minutes to get caught up. So yeah, you're 11:10. If I give you 10 minutes, that'll bring us at 52. And we're going to share out again and see how far you've gotten because I really want you to get those best works. Remember, your first slide is introductory for those that have me once. That's all about you. You choose your Bitmoji and stuff. It could be sitting, it could be laying down. It's the introductory page. The next part is, of course, your next slide is your first best work. You go through your grades, pull the best works. That's 85% and higher that you got to score on these assignments. You choose 1, 2, and 3, and you make sure you do them in order. You add those best works to your slides. So when people click through your slides, you can basically have them click on something to share that out. Now, at the very end, I think the only person that got close to this is Lisa. The very end, I'll show you how to publish your work. So you don't have to worry about people changing it. When you share this link, they can't change it. They can only view it. So I'm going to show you how to publish your work. So when you share it with friends and family, all they can do is just click through. And you'll still be able to edit it over time. But they can just click through and only just review stuff, not alter anything. All right. So what did I say? 10 more minutes. Try to use that video that I put in the chat to get caught up on what you might have missed.
Mr. Rush.
Yeah.
Where Mr. Tyler go?
His internet might have messed up. I'm sure he'll be back.
Oh,
All right, I had to reset everything. Google froze up on me for a quick second. I was like, everything frozen. What happened? So I had to reboot it. Where are we at? Let me stop this. I stopped the clock already after that glitch. Now, let's see here. Who's ready to share out? I think that was the time for our last share out from my note state. Let's go down the list. See. So, Aaliyah, what do you have so far? You there?
My title and that emoji. I'm still trying to get these problems in. I'm
Okay.
gonna still have to type it up because it's gonna let me copy and paste on my phone. I don't know why.
Well, you're only taking the link though.
What link?
You missed that part when me and Lisa was talking, right? Okay, so basically, did you download your works?
My who?
So did you choose your 3 best works, Aaliyah?
Oh no, not yet.
Okay, so you need to do that later on today, and then you have the ability to tie them to things in your classroom.
I
So I
was
want
still
you
watching a video.
watch the video and finish all the steps. We can talk about the link connection tomorrow, but you got to finish that background and the Bitmojis first. So watch the entire video and finish it up at least by 8. Lisa's further along than most. So at 11 was it 11 o'clock, Lisa, you're free to go because then you probably got stuff you got to do to help out staff. And Miss Childs, are you ready to share out what you have so far?
no.
Okay. Angelique, did you get any further with that? No?
No.
Okay. You still working on it? Were you able to open that video up?
No, it's not. It's still loading.
Oh my goodness. Internet, huh?
Yeah.
All right. What about Jacqueline? Do you have anything you can show there? I'm trying to see if she typed anything. No, I'm still working on it. Okay. I see. So everybody's still working on it. Like I said before, you have until like 8 p.m. tonight to finish up all steps. So I'll put a couple more minutes on the clock, and it's just for the remainder of class. If you have questions, I know you guys are watching the video and trying to recreate everything. I'll be here. Technically, I'll be here till 11:10, but you guys will be free to leave because everybody's been working diligently. I think you finally understand what to do. You will be able to leave around 11:05. Lisa can leave a little early because she's got so much done. I know she's helping out in many other ways with GTIs and stuff. So, Lisa, during lunch, you can. I don't know if you could be in both rooms. We could finish working on the app. Just come to the SAT prep link. Do you have access to that link
Okay.
already or no?
Yeah.
Okay. So just use that link to get in touch with me. I'll be in there and GTI. I feel like I got to help people get positive today. So work on what you
Okay.
can do.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm. All right, so it's 10:59. That means we have 6 more minutes. If you got questions, ask them. All right, let's see here.
Laying here in the dark. I'm still, they can't see your ass.
Please stop cussing. All right, everybody. So at this point, you're going to be getting ready for GGI. I'm not sure if they put it in the chat or not, but let me grab a link for you. And that would be in your classrooms as well. Let me close this out. And where's Edsby? So yeah, I grab this. This is the same link for Townhouse, by the way. It's inside of Edsby, but I'm gonna put it here. We're trying to make things simple for you guys, so you don't have to go all over Edsby to find things. So we get to GGI. There is a bit of extra credit for being attentive and participating as our norm state in GGI. 11:05 now. If you don't have any questions, you're free to go. But be mindful that this assignment is due by 8 p.m. or you'll be taking the final exam tomorrow if you don't have anything done by 8 p.m. Okay. Just wanted to make that clear. If you don't want to take the final exam, please finish this project off. At least the parts in the video displayed. So it's 4 minutes of class left. Aaliyah, Jacqueline, do you have questions?
No.
Okay. All right. Well, I hope this has been helpful. And I'll see you later on today, I think, Aaliyah. What about you, Jacqueline? Do you have questions or? I'm good. Okay. We'll get to GGI and I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. I don't think I have you for another class. Today, at least. Okay. All right. Let's get ready for GGI and do prep too with students.